Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you receive this error on your iPhone when you create your account and you just receive error, so you can't create new account on Instagram, so how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing you need to wait some time because Instagram just add you to temporary blocks, so you just can't create account for some time. So also you can try to change your network, so just go to the settings, and if you're using Wi-Fi, just turn off Wi-Fi and turn on again, and if you're using mobile data, just turn off and turn on again your mobile data. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off, and if it still doesn't work, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So and the latest option you can try, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.